Hello, good morning, and welcome to today's lesson. Today we'll be solving more exponential equations. As we have on the board, we have 2 raised power 2x plus 4 in bracket 2x minus 32 equals 0. And we are asked to solve for x. So to do that, let's write the equation 2x plus 4 in bracket 2 raised power x minus 32 equals 0. Now, applying our law of indices, we have that 2 raised power 2x is same thing as 2 raised power x or raised power 2 plus 4 raised power 2x minus 32 equals 0. Observe that I did not try to do anything here. Now, we can now say if you observe correctly, you will see that we are having something that looks like quadratic equation. But to make it simpler for our eyes to see, we are going to be letting our 2 raised power x to be equal to something as y. So we will be substituting y for 2x, 2 raised power 2x. So we have y squared plus 4y minus 32 equals 0. Now, we have a quadratic equation. We can either choose any of the method of solving a quadratic equation to get our y. So let's go by formula method. Y is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Having this, we will substitute. Our b is minus 4 plus or minus square root of 4 squared minus 4a. A is 1, c is what? Minus 32 all over 2a, which is 1. Now continuing with to simplify, we have minus 4 plus or minus 16. This time around, because we are having minus, we'll be having plus. 4 times 32 will give us 128. So that's all over 2. 2 times 1. So that we have minus 4 plus or minus square root of 144 all over 2. Now, that will give us minus 4 plus or minus 12. Plus or minus 12 over 2. Now that means that our y is either minus 4 plus 12 over 2 or minus 4 minus 12 over 2. And that will give us, this should be 8 over 2 or minus 16 over 2. Giving us that y is either 4 or minus 8. Good. Now, but remember that our y was equal to 2 raised to power x. That is what our y was. So we cannot, and 2 raised to power x is a positive number. It's a positive number. Since it is a positive number, we will neglect this and go for this. So we have that our y is equal to 4, which implies that our 2 raised to power x is going to be equal to 4. Now this gives us exactly the type we solved in the previous video. If you have not watched the previous video, it is time to pause and go back to the previous video to see how we solved it. Now, so we are having 2 raised to power x is equal to 4. Now simplifying this, we have 2 raised to power x minus, so that we have x is equal to 2. And that is our answer. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe and like our videos. Share